Do you need an awesome and engaging performance for your students to put on? I'm talking hip-hop music, rap songs, dance, done-for-you scripts that are fun, engaging, and easy to use. Well, Rap Opera Productions is what you're looking for. With Rap Opera Productions, I will work specifically with you to get your students, your staff, your school ready for an awesome production. Done-for-you scripts. In addition to that, while students are working on the performance, going through the scripts, they will use songs as reading passages to complete language arts activities. Students will study the lyrics to practice a variety of skills. I'm talking context clues, main idea, sequencing. Whatever is relevant to your school, we'll build it right into the curriculum. As they're doing all of this, as they're going through the songs, the activities, as they're going through the scripts, they are learning how to put on a production that will wow your audience. We're focusing on history, language arts skills, so students can get on stage, knowledgeable about the content, and wow their audience with the skills they've learned over the course of the production. If that's what you're looking for, Rap Opera Productions is for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at ken@rapoperaforkids.com. Looking forward to working with you.